Let's start variables right now. A variable, broadly speaking, is simply a piece of information that the computer stores. Very basic, generally speaking. If we wanted to create a variable in Python, let's say my variable equals 1. What does this do? This tells Python I want to be able to reference the value 1 whenever I type my variable. So why not just type 1? Well, now if we wanted to change the value of my variable, we could put 2 here, and every single time we reference my variable, it'll change that value to 2. So it's very, very powerful. When we create variables in Python, we don't need to do any keywords like var or even the type of the variable, which we'll get into in the next couple lectures. And we just say the name that you want equals and the variable that you want. That's it. So let's go right into other variables.